So greetings. In this video, I'm going to be doing an unboxing of a part. So let me do a little backstory. I have this cherry keyboard. It is mechanical, but I use this for some of my projects, like some of the video tutorials where I need to capture a remote machine where I'm not SSHing into the machine. So I need to have a keyboard and mouse plugged into that. Well, in my last unboxing and tutorial video, this keyboard fell, and, well, the trackball popped out and broke. So I contacted Cherry, and luckily I got a wonderful, wonderful support person, and they said, yeah, we'll look for a scrap part and ship it to you. So thank you so very much, Donna Jones, and whoever I was talking to via email. So this is going to be an unboxing and an install. So, yay, there's the package from Cherry of North America. Ooh, oh. Ooh, they sent me another locking mechanism too. That's nice. I didn't tell them that the locking mechanism was perfectly fine. It was just trackball. But hey, that's my fault. So there we go. Perfectly brand new trackball. And you can see from this broken one here that the trackball is literally just a steel BB encased in actually really hard plastic. So it took a bit of a tumble to do that. What's neat about this keyboard is this is a mechanical keyboard in a European layout, which I absolutely hate. But it is a low-profile mechanical switch, and this trackball here is actually a Logitech unit from what I found, which is exceptionally neat. So let's pop the trackball in, get the locking ring in place. Let me put the old trackball in a bag so that it doesn't roll all over the place. And now comes the fun part, and that's why I have this paper clip. Now it's time to be gentle and lock this. And there we go. It locked with a click. And there we go. I've got a now new and a functioning, not a new, but a functioning keyboard again. And this particular keyboard model, let's see if I can find the box for it. There it is. Just in case any of you are interested, it is the Ultra Slim Trackball Keyboard G84 4400. There's some great information on Desktop Authority's wiki on this keyboard, like information on these really neat and interesting mechanical switches. It's a very, very good keyboard, and I'm very glad that I have it. And I'm also very glad that you guys watched this video. Thank you so very much for doing so. Like, share, subscribe, all that jam. And I will see you in my next video. Bye-bye.